Here I have IBERRY Auxus Beast, and let me show you how to set up here pattern, passcode or other screen lock method on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Let's use here the apps icon, then find and select settings. From the list of settings you need to find and select here the security, choose here screen lock, and here you can use voice unlock, pattern, pin, password or custom unlock. In my case, let me use pattern. Let's draw your unlock pattern, tap continue, and let's draw it again just for confirmation. So let's choose here confirm. Now let's decide of form of notification. You can select show all notification content, you can hide the sensitive one or don't show notifications at all. In my case, let me show all content, tap done, and that's it. Now if you press the power key, you should see the lock, and to unlock your device, let's use your pattern. So that's it, everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.